Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic, where I share clever tips for making everyday life easier. Today I've rounded up 15 of my all-time favorite life hacks for moms and dads, the very ones that keep my days running smoothly. And I am sure they'll help you out too. Let's jump right in. Probably every mom faces the same issue. Cleaning with a little one around is no simple task. So we have special boxes of toys that the kids only get when I'm cleaning. Then I always put them away, so those toys remain something special for the children. They are always happy when mom starts to clean. Who isn't familiar with a situation where a child is eating ice cream and ends up staining their clothes or hands? Use a muffin tin, cut a small hole in it, insert the ice cream, and the problem of dripping ice cream is solved. This life hack saved me many times during business trips when I'd put on a blouse in a hotel room that got wrinkled in my suitcase. Use a hairdryer to smooth out the wrinkles. Of course, you can also do this at home when you are getting ready for work and are short on time. Did your children scatter Lego all over the room again? There is a very simple and very easy solution. Use an ordinary dustpan to gather all the small pieces much faster. Lego boxes take up way too much space. We can't throw them away because the kids look at them to see what the whole structure looks like and which pieces belong to which set. So you can just cut out all the images you need and put them in a folder. Now they take up little space and they're always on hand if necessary. It's very convenient to attach a hook to the back of the high chair where you can hang a clean or used but still usable baby bib. Back when my kids were newborns, feeding them around the clock felt like a full-time job. I know today's moms crave more flexibility, whether you are traveling, working or just catching up with friends. That's why I am excited to introduce the Momcozy all-in-one M5 wearable breast pump. It features a pain-free horizontal angle that mimics a natural latch, plus 3 modes and 9 levels for maximum comfort. Thanks to its hands-free design, you can pump anytime, anywhere. No need to miss out on life's moments. Just remember, if you are currently pregnant, the M5 isn't recommended. And remove the motor before pouring your milk. Ready to make life easier? Click the link in my profile and use my code OrgaNatic for 10% off on Amazon or momcozy.com. If a child gets confused about which foot goes in which shoe, you can cut a sticker in half and place each half on the insole of each shoe. That way it's easier for the little one to figure out which foot goes where. They just have to match up the picture. Little kids usually can't hold playing cards very well. Cut off a piece of a pool noodle and slice it in half lengthwise. And you're done. With this kind of helper, the child can see all their cards at once. To vacuum every room, you often have to keep switching the vacuum plug from one outlet to another. To save time, use an extension cord. Plug the vacuum into the main outlet through it and move around the house without any hassle. Use a pool noodle in the same way you did with the playing cards and attach it to the door on the side or at the top to avoid dangerous situations if a child might slam their fingers or if the door can suddenly slam shut because of a draft. Freshly washed children's clothes take up a lot of space on the drying rack. If you don't have enough room to hang everything, you can hang some items on hangers, and you'll fit a lot more on the rack overall. My kids love washing their hands with foaming soap. You can make it really easily yourself. Pour about 1/4 regular liquid soap into an empty bottle and fill the rest with warm water. Mix it all well. And our foaming soap is ready. We don't see any difference between store-bought and homemade foaming soap. Familiar story. The kids wash their hands and the towel ends up on the floor. I solved this problem by attaching a retractable badge reel to the towel. Thanks to the pull-out cord, the child can pull the towel toward them, and once they let go, it goes right back to its place. Leftover sunscreen can be frozen until next summer, so it doesn't go bad over the winter. That way it won't spoil and will keep all its beneficial properties. Does your child love to drink through the straw? Stretch a piece of plastic wrap over the cup, poke a little hole, then insert the straw. And now it definitely won't spill as easily. And the question of the day is this: what idea from today's video did you like the most? If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!